Hello there, welcome to our channel. Login once again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Macy's credit card account from your computer online. And now, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your Macy's credit card online from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in Macys.com like this and hit enter, or you can simply search for Macy's credit card login like this and hit enter. And after that, you can see the sign into Macy's on the first result of Google. Click over there, and whereas in the first tab we are on the home page of Macy's, to log into your credit card from over here, you can see the sign in button available at the top right corner of your screen over here. And when we hover on the downside arrow of this one, you can see the pop-up appear, and there is the Macy's credit card option available over here. Click over there, and now this, you can see this is the credit card gateway. Now to log into your Macy's account, you can see the sign in option available over here. Click on sign in, and you can see both of these pages are same. Now to sign into your Macy's credit card account, simply enter your email address and your password over here, which you have registered on Macy's at the time of creating your account. After that, click on sign in to log into your Macy's credit card account. Or if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot password to go through a procedure to retrieve your password. Or if you have not yet created an account on Macy's, you can see the create an account over here, and when you click over there, you will be redirected to the sign up procedure of the Macy's, and you will be able to enjoy all the awesome services provided by Macy's. And there, this is how you log into your Macy's credit card account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.